बापरे काटता है
Hello friends, welcome to Shell Stop Story Recipes. Today I am going to make Masala Palau chicken. It will be very tasty, yummy. This is the chicken in a packet, about 750 grams. To marinate the chicken, I am going to use dhania powder, jeera powder, some turmeric, put some chicken masala, put some chili powder, put some salt and put some mustard oil. I will mix this nicely. For the chicken masala palau, I have already put in the masalas in the chicken over here to marinate. So I will not use masala to make the palau. In this masala only I will make the palau along with the chicken. I will move this aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes. To make the masala chicken palau, I have taken carrots and some capsicum cut up. I have taken ginger and garlic. This I will grind, make it into a paste. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some refined oil. The oil is turned hot. I have taken onions here and sliced it. This I will put in. I have taken bay leaves, put it in. I have taken garam masala. This is darchini, green cardamom, one big elaichi and some cloves. Put this in. Let the onions fry golden brown. The onions are turned golden brown, you can see. Now I will put in the ginger garlic paste. I have marinated the chicken and kept over here. Now I will put this in the ginger garlic. The ginger garlic is frying over here with the onions. Now I will put this chicken in. The marinated chicken has got masala in it. I have put less chili powder. So I will mix some chili powder. I will put in the carrots also, the cut of carrots. Put in the capsicum also and let it fry along with the chicken. The chicken has got salt in it, so afterwards when I will put the rice, then I will put some more salt. Now I'll cover it up and let this meat and the capsicum and carrot fry. The chicken is half fried now. Now I will put in the rice. This is 1 kilo basmati rice which I am going to put in. Mix the rice well with the chicken. I will fry the rice with the chicken nicely. I will add some more salt to the rice because whatever salt I have mixed in the meat, that will be less. So I will add some salt. Fry the rice well with the chicken. The rice is fried up with the chicken. Now I will add some water. I will put 3 bowls of water because the measurement which I used for the rice, with this I have measured the rice, it was 1.5. So I will take 3 bowls of water, hot water, warm water. One, two, and 3. To make the chicken masala palau, I have added the water. Now it will cook in this water. I will put the flame little low. Cover it up till it cooks up well. Friends, how lovely the chicken masala palau is looking. You can see it. How lovely it's come. So yummy, tasty. Now I'll put in the coriander leaves. Put the coriander leaves and cover it up for 1 minute. Chicken masala palau is ready to be eaten.